Hey guys, welcome back to Xenia's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be following a Shani Grimmond makeup tutorial and I am pretty nervous.
Yes, we're no makeup gurus, so let's see how this goes.
Okay, so we've got a chit chat, get ready with me, full glam video that we're going to be following. So let's get to it.
Wow.
Whew.
That's a nice bright look. I like it.
Yeah. Now I'm nervous.
Yeah.
Hello my chickens, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I really want to play around with some colour because we have a palette around here that screams colourful. Okay, so I would love to do a pink eyeshadow look today. So I'm going to start by going with this palette right here. It is the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded eyeshadow palette. The first colour that I'm going to take is this beautiful warm tone brown. I actually really like, the look of that one. So I'm just going to start by taking this in the crease so all the other colours can kind of blend into this one.
Do we have to start with the eyes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we've got to conceal our base first.
Look at that. What a look. I look like I'm wearing like goggles or something.
That's so funny. Okay.
Sorry.
Come on, Katie.
So what does she do? She just does like the eyelid and up a little bit.
Out. Yeah.
So she blended it. I'm just going for it.
This is bringing back like my teens of how to do makeup.
Yeah.
I did like Avril Lavigne style.
Yeah.
Like in the waterline, like
Yeah.
and
And not even blended out,
yeah.
just waterline black. Yeah.
Alright, next one. Let's bring some colour in.
Woo!
So I'm going to go with the shade Electric. This beautiful pink right here.
That's really bright.
That's really bright.
Just get in there.
She's got it packed on, so we've got to...
Oh, okay, here we go.
Although I'm not sure why mine's not looking like hers. I'm going to bring this up.
Good. I just want to do like the foundation on my face already.
I think that's what's throwing me off.
Yeah. I'm not used to this.
Let's keep watching.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so the next colour I'm going to take is called Dimple. It's this darker hot pink right here.
Alright,
Okay.
hot pink.
I'm gonna have to use my blush, I think.
I think I will too.
Okay.
So we've got to do...
It's like right on the end.
Yeah. You think with all of the makeup tutorials, like, do you watch a lot of makeup tutorials?
No.
You think with all the ones I watch, I'd be better at makeup. But yet I just watch them and I'm not really, I guess.
I never watch makeup tutorials.
Really?
Yeah.
They're just so interesting, like, everything changes or everyone does something differently and it's just crazy. Like, we've already got like different looks and we're following this. Like,
Yeah. I'd just like to point out I've never cut crease.
I don't think I have either.
So this could be like a complete fail.
I've watched a lot of cut creases though.
Yeah.
So hopefully I can do it and you like look up. I don't know. Let's just watch it and we'll see what happens. Okay, let's cut crease. Alright, so concealer ready.
This could be a disaster. Whoa.
Oh, I'm already, look.
I've gone over.
We're already in trouble. Let's just wipe that off and we'll just... I'm gonna stop acting like I know what I'm talking about because clearly it's not working for me.
Okay, I feel like it's semi-okay.
Yeah. Alright, shall we go with it?
Yeah.
Next step.
A champagne pink. It looks amazing. So I'm just going to go straight over the top with this.
She's going over it with
Like
This
a
brush is
pinky
honestly the best
champagne.
hanky on top.
oh yeah, champagne.
Like that?
Yeah. Oh, this is working. Wow.
Next time I'm out to dinner, I'll be having a cut crease every day, every night.
Yeah. Okay, I feel like I'm at
Okay.
her level right now.
It's a big stage. Alright,
Okay.
let's go.
Okay, so let's move on to the face. I'm going to take this primer from Sisley. This was like one of the most expensive primers, so I really just like want to use it up.
Alright. Yes. Let's
Finally.
want some primer.
Yeah, I don't normally prime.
I say that and I've literally got one.
This one is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I love this one so much. This one's the shade 11 Honey. I used to use this all the time.
Okay.
Oh, someone's at the door. Oh, you're looking at me.
And cute. Just wait. Alrighty.
Alright, how you going over there, Lydia?
We are nearly done. I don't know, I'm just bouncing my face. I've definitely stuffed up my eyes.
I think they're fine. You've made like a nice definite line.
We'll
Okay.
fix it when she fixes. I'm assuming she's gonna maybe do. Yeah, no, we'll see.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for this concealer. It is the new Tarte concealer. It's called the Creaseless Concealer. I have the shade medium and medium golden. I think I'm going to use the shade medium, but the packaging is super cute. I wonder if this is going to be better than the Tarte shade. This is going to be interesting. So blue.
I love how fast she blends.
Yeah.
You know how everyone like says like, I think it's just, yeah, sorry, I don't have my 2 cents. My input.
Actually looks flawless now, her foundation.
I know.
Doesn't it?
It does look really good.
Okay.
Let's set the foundation.
Let's do it! I'm so excited now. This is like my favorite bit. Because I hate the
Setting?
sticky feel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my favorite. Don't forget the ears.
Alrighty.
Alright.
That's as good as it's gonna get for now.
Oh, that feels so good. I feel like complete now.
The lower lash line, so I'm going to take the shade Electric on. And then I'm going to go with this brown shade. This is the transition color. And I'm just going to take this.
It's quite thick.
It is. Because we, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Alright.
Back to that pink colour.
Yep. Here we go. Okay.
Dab dab.
I'm just gonna like just do a little bit. I feel like the powder might have taken it off a little bit.
Oh my god. Like an alphabet in my eyeball.
It's
Let's
nice
fix
to
the
eat
end
this.
of that.
Oh, looking good.
Oh, looking like hopefully not patched me out.
Those
Okay.
blue eyes are popping. Do you feel like I need more?
No, it looks good.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Next step.
Woo!
Right, so I'm just going to go in with this Tarte Man Eater eyeliner, liquid liner, and I'm just going to line my
Ooh.
little pen.
A liquid eyeliner.
That's dangerous.
Wasn't mentally prepared.
No.
I shouldn't have had coffee this morning because I'll be like,
I'm nervous. So am I. I haven't done this in so long. I can see you. How you going over there, Lydia? Oh no.
yeah.
It's okay. You can fix this. We can
Usually I
rebuild.
just like wipe it with my finger like, yeah, well.
We will rebuild
We will make it thicker. Okay, lashes. So she's already got them on.
Yeah, she's already got them on. So let's just go for it. So I just want to say, my lashes are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies in Demi. We sell them on our boutique.
They look so good.
Yeah, if you like them, grab a pair.
Check it out.
Okay, so let's move on to the bronzer. I've been using this one lately and it's really, really good. It's the MAC Studio Care Blend.
This is like another one of my favorite bits. Bronzer.
Oh,
Yes.
get those cheeks done.
All right,
Okay,
bronzer time.
Contour this face.
Let's do it. I used to like, when I did bronzer, I used to put it up here. And my friends used to say I look like I have horns. Because I wouldn't look, I'd just sort of just do it.
She did it like a little bit in the very, like,
Yeah.
outer side.
Yeah.
Horns.
Yeah, just like two blotches here. So I'm very cautious now when I do my bronzer. You're right.
Got you into the bronzer.
Oh.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you for the video.
Okay. I think we're looking okay.
Oh, this blush has been, oh, this is Michael's as well. This has been my favorite blush for like a good month now. It is the Tom Ford blush in the shade Inhibition. Love that. And this is like the perfect neutral blush that goes with every single makeup look.
So her blush is quite light. Mine's not. So I think I might.
Neither.
Can you use eyeshadow for blush?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just
It's
going
still
on
a
the
colour,
face,
like a
right? Okay. Okay.
Do you smile?
Yeah. Okay, that's way too light. Oh, there it is.
I can't do any more blush. That's enough.
Oh,
That's too scary for me. It's like,
it's not too much, right? I'm blushing.
yeah, it looks. Ooh.
Okay.
The Benefit Gold Rush Highlighter is a warm golden and blush.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, looks nice.
Of my eyes.
Okay, right.
Highlighter time.
Okay, so I'm gonna use, it's like a pot highlighter. Because my powder one is gone. Okay, so let's see how this works. Yeah, with my finger, because I don't know what you're meant to use for
No.
that.
Just... Oh, Cupid's bow.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah,
she's
so
all
I
over
do
it.
it.
Whoa.
Okay. That's just gonna do. Okay.
Oh, we can put hair as well. That's cool. Oh, that looks so pretty. There's like all these different shapes and sizes and stuff.
I didn't realize we're doing glitter.
She's got bigger glitter, but that's okay.
Yeah. She's just like put it all in here.
Oh, I'm ready to party with this glitter on.
Whoa.
Okay, glitter is on. Lips.
So in the shade Spice, I haven't used this in so long, and it is honestly one of the best lip liners for like a really nice nude lip. So, first of all, I might like overline it a little bit as well. So on the lips, I'm going to go with the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Exposed.
Okay, which one are you gonna use?
I think I'm gonna line with this
Okay.
and then go in a little bit with this and then ombre it
With this.
this.
Alright, let's do these colors.
Let's do it.
I'm just gonna use this one.
Okay. So that is the finished
look.
look. Thanks guys for watching. We actually really enjoyed it. It was so much
Yeah.
fun. I think we should do this more often.
Yeah, it was really fun and we learned a lot, which was awesome. So I
Yeah.
hope you did too. And we will see you next time. Bye!